Hey y'all. So I just got my shipment in of sea moss from Jamaica. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas every time. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. I have tried sea moss from different parts of the Caribbean, St. Lucia, Grenada, and this seems to be the best. It is the best. It's wild crafted, still attached to the rock. That gives it the minerals that we all want. Still attached to the rock that it got pulled from. Nice and clean. Of course, you know, I'm going to clean it again before I prepare it. But this is what your sea moss is supposed to look like. I'm going to show you an example of what your sea moss is not supposed to look like. Okay, so I picked this up at a local market in my area. And this is not what your sea moss is supposed to look like, especially when you buy it. This sea moss was not properly dried, so that introduces bacteria. And wait for it. Look at all that. All that salt. Added salt. Not properly cleaned, not properly prepared for you. It's just gross. Now, let's compare. And it's not even no rocks attached. So this is pool grown. No minerals. Wild crafted. Minerals. Clean. What did Dr. Sabi say? And all his children? The rocks should still be attached to authentic sea moss. So I'm here for you guys. This is a brand new shipment of great product. Know your sea moss. Know your distributor. Ask questions. Have a beautiful day, everyone.